Let's find out how to get dark mode on Snapchat. In this video, we will show you how to get dark mode on Snapchat. Maybe you are tired of the bright Snapchat and want the darker version of Snapchat instead. We will show it to you in a very few simple steps which are the same whether you are on iPhone or Android. The first step is to open up your Snapchat. When you have opened Snapchat, you can see your profile icon in the top left corner, so go ahead and click that. When you are on your Snapchat profile, the next step is to click the settings option, which can be found in the top right corner. When you are in here, you see a lot of different things you can do. You need to scroll down a little bit under the My Account section until you see the App Appearance option, which you need to click on. Now just click the Always Dark option and the dark mode is turned on. If you go back from the settings, you can see that Snapchat is now black instead of bright. So that is how you change your Snapchat to dark mode. Make sure to leave a comment if this solved your problem and take a look at our other videos on the screen if you want more tips. Thanks for watching.